everyone here, our esteemed guests. A gold morning and a gold Samasco to everyone. You know, recently, nakahiligan na po natin as an org na batiin yung isa't isa using the word gold. So, minsan sinasabi na lang namin natin gold morning, gold evening ornaments, or gold Samasco ornaments. Nakakatuwa nga po kasi that's how happy and proud we are celebrating our golden year, our 50th anniversary. It's very interesting how we've lasted this long, how Samasco has stood the test of time. Minsan, ma-amaze ka na lang talaga na kapag rehearsals or may org ka na, parang family reunion. It's complete with all the characters. You have the titas na very bongga, baka. Everyone knows them. They're like everyone's second mother. You either love them or fear them. Minsan, may pagka-judgy. Pero for good reason naman. Because they always have the best intentions of the family in mind. You have the titos na mahilig sa beer, mahilig sa dad jokes, na minsan corny. But you can't help but laugh at them kasi sobrang kulit lang talaga. Siyempre, you also have the millennials na nakikiblend sa Gen Z. And nakakatak din naman ng mga titos sa kanilang mga shenanigans. So, they're kind of in with everyone. Of course, the Gen Z na nagaganda-gandahan sa gilid with their 0.5 selfies and TikTok dances. Samasco is just a really colorful samahan. We're also known for being very gay, very flamboyant, and very loud. But it's a space for everyone. No matter how you identify, what year you were born in, or what background you came from, laging may mahahanap kang espasyo sa Samasco. Laging may mauuwian kang tahanan at samahan sa Samasco. And this, I think, is what really makes Samasco so timeless. Because it is a space for everyone, we are able to share the laughter with everyone. It is because of the colorful personalities in our org that we are able to tell diverse stories of laughter. Stories that are able to stay relevant no matter what decade we are in. It's fascinating for me how we are able to stage Live Aids together as a company, as an org, even if we all came from different generations. Kasi kung iisipin nga talaga natin, mahirap magpatawa ng tao. Lalo na kung hindi naman kayo, pareho lang kinalakihan, di ba? But that's just what makes the laughter in Samasco so special and so unique. It evolves over time kasi lahat napapakinggan. Lahat may space and platform na ilabas kung sino sila and i-share yung context that they live in. It is because of our different realities that we are able to create stories that our diverse audiences can relate to. Parang hindi mo aakalain na mag-mesh well together yung Gen Z and Boomer humor. But somehow, Samasco makes it work. Because we all find our space and we all give each other a chance na ibuga kung ano ang may bubuga. So we learn a lot from each other. It's really a space for connection. But of course, that connection doesn't happen in an instant. Keeping the show fresh and relevant is not an easy thing to do. It takes a whole writer's school na, again, very diverse and colorful personalities para ma-ensure that our show is relevant with the times. Aside from bonding with each other to keep ourselves trendy and updated, syempre hindi mawawala sa Samasco ang pagiging informed. Laging may kaakibat na advokasya ang bawat joke at punchline na binabato namin. It's very intentional. After all, hindi naman natin ito ginagawa just for comedy's sake. Because Live Aids is our way of protest. I want to share with you what one of my dearest friends in the org, Mark De Los Santos, who's also our stage manager, said about Samasco's legacy. Mamamatay lang ang Samasco kung wala ng problema sa Pilipinas. While people may label us loud and obnoxious, hindi mananahimik ang Samasco hanggat hindi tayo pinapakinggan. Hanggat hindi nabibigyan ng lunas ang mga cancel ng lipunan. We will continue to fight and make noise using laughter and comedy as our weapon. We will continue to poke fun and make a mockery out of the leaders of this country na parang gine-joke time lang din naman ng taong bayan. We use Live Aids as a protest kasi naniniwala kami na comedy ang lengguwaheng naiintindihan ng lahat. Ang medium na naaabot ng lahat. And we do this in the hopes that we make ourselves heard at na may mamulat din kami ng ibang tao. Mamamatay lang ang Samasco kung wala ng problema sa Pilipinas. Kaya hanggat hindi ito nawawala, hindi mamamatay ang Samasco at walang lakas ang Live Aids. With their colorful backgrounds and diverse personalities, the color gold stands out the most for us this year because it is a reminder of 50 long years of laughter, of protest, and of a samahan that accepts you for who you are and even gives you a platform for it. Samasco through the 34, now going 35 installments of Live Aids, connects its story with its members, performers, and audiences, keeping the laughter of the organization alive. And with that, gusto ko lang po ulit batiin ng lahat ng gold sa Mascom. Thank you.
Thank you very much.